Hello everyone, welcome back to MakeMoneyBlueprint.com podcast. And this is your favorite host, Billy. In this channel, we're focusing on bringing you the best business idea that'll generate more income into your bank account. So if you are new here, hit the like button for your favorite host and hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss any single one of these life-changing ideas. And while you were here on YouTube, might as well hit the bell notification for your YouTube to alert when we're posting new content. Don't think too much now. You'll end up benefiting more from these information we're about to share.
Okay, so let's get started. Starting a vending machine business could earn you $100 per month with very low startup costs, and it's pretty much passive. So you can learn how to make money with vending machine in this video. So from schools to gyms to office breaks rooms, vending machines are like everywhere. Not only do vending machine provide snacks, beverages, and other items for people on the go, but they can also be profitable business for the individual or companies that own them. In fact, starting a vending machine business could be very low cost venture with a decent profit margin. If you've been wondering how to make money with vending machines, hang on to this video. We're showing you right now. So what exactly is a vending machine business? For those that don't know, if you run a vending machine business, you own one or more vending machines and make passive income when people purchase your inventories. Unlike many small businesses, you don't need to rent office space. You just need to secure locations with your machines. So when figuring out a locations, think about what you plan to sell and how much foot traffic the area has. Some examples of locations where you might be able to put your vending machines include building offices, schools, hospitals, shopping malls, apartment complexes, airports. So when you have researched your business plan, you need to draw up a contract with the building owner to rent a space for your vending machines. You might pay a fixed fee or percentage of your earning in exchange for the space and electricity to run the machines. The majority of vending machines sell snacks and beverages according to Vending Market Watch, but your options aren't limited to the food. You can find different type of machines that sell anything from electronics to laundry detergent to face masks, hand sanitizer, and I once even have an idea of installing small vending machines in the ladies' bathroom or lady locker room selling tampons. So how does vending machine business work? Starting a vending machine business could be one of the best side hustle out there, as this business idea is fairly low startup costs and only require occasional maintenance. Your maintenance startup costs will be the vending machine itself, your inventory, and any location costs. Once you select your location and set up the machines, you can typically leave it alone until time to restock the inventory or fix any malfunctions. Smart technology vending machines can alert you when you're on low supply, whereas more basic model will require you to check them manually. You can either check the vending machine yourself or a weekly or bi-weekly basis to restock and collect your earnings, or you can hire somebody to take care of the task for you and you just oversee them. So how to research local market. When you're starting a vending machine business, it's important to research the local market and make sure there's demand for your items. What you choose to put in your vending machines and where you put that machine could be the make or break of your success. You can start by thinking about high traffic locations in your area where your purchase from a vending machines or which there's been vending machines to buy from. If you're not sure, you could also contact your local chamber of commerce for information about business locations. You also want to think about how many people will pass by the vending machines on a daily basis. With many office buildings closing due to COVID-19 pandemic, Vending Machines Watch 2021 State of the Industry report found that the vending machine business saw a dramatic decrease in sales from $24.2 billion in 2020 to $13.3 billion in 2021. That's more than half, almost more than half. That's about half. When choosing the right location, consider the risk of shutting it down in the near future. You also want to make sure there's a match between the good you'll be selling and your clientele. If you place a vending machine in a gym, for instance, you'll probably be better off providing healthy snacks and hydrating drinks rather than gumballs or junk food, right? It makes sense. Finally, make sure you research any vending machine laws and regulation specific to your states. You can often find this information at your local chamber of commerce. You might also need to consider how to meet any accessible standard put in place by the American with the Disability Act. So how much can you earn with a vending machine business? So according to Natural To Go, a healthy snack beverage divisions of Ventec International, the average vending machine earns over $75 per week and over $300 per month. ahndsoff, a vending machine management software company, estimate that a single machine may make from $5 over $100 a week. As mentioned above, vending machines can offer a wide variety of products from popular snacks to high-end electronics. Drink machines make less than the one that sell headphones, but the startup cost will probably be a lot less too. So So when estimate your earning, you also need to take into account the cost of keeping your machines in a certain locations. Many vending machines owner pay 10 to 25% to their revenue to the property owners. So how to start a vending machine business? Right? First, by educating yourself how to start a vending machine business before you dive in. You can set yourself up for success from the start. So here are some stuff that you may interest you in making money with the vending machine business. Number one, look at all your options. Okay, although you might choose to go with straightforward snack and soda vending machines, it's useful to consider all the options out there. Most vending machines fall into three main categories: food and beverage. Number two, bulk vending. Bulk vending means your vending machine inventory doesn't have to be edible. It can also sell items like sticker, toys, other novelty products. As I said, tampon in the ladies' room. Specialty vending machines. Finally, vending machine will fall into the special category if it sells hot beverage, retail item like face mask, neck pillow, tampons like toothpaste, laundry detergent. These specialized machines can make sense for specialized locations such as the laundromat, airport, or the restrooms. Remember that the inventory you choose should make sense for your locations and the people who see your vending machines. If you want to place your vending machine in an ice hockey rink, for instance, opting for a vending machine that provide hot beverages could make more sense than the one that sells ice cream. Make sure you do market research as you're considering your vending machine's option, so your choice of vending machine, inventory locations, and clientele all complement one another. Number two, consider your financing need. When you're exploring how to make money with vending machines, you find that starting a vending machine business has a relatively low startup cost. Your main expense will be a vending machines and inventories, as well as any fees you need to pay to a property owner to host your vending machines. But although startup costs are low, you might not have enough in saving to cover them. In that case, you could consider a short-term loan or equipment financing loan. A short-term loan could be a good option if you have a strong enough credit and income to qualify for affordable terms. An equipment financing loan is another potential option, but you need to back this loan with the equipment. In this case, the vending machines as collateral. Whatever type of financing you choose, you're likely to pay back with a fixed monthly payment and interest charges. Make sure you understand what repayments will look like and have a plan to pay those monthly bills before you take on debt. Number three, secure a vending machine license. As a vending machines operator, you need to have a business license. Your local city or county small business administration should be able to guide you in the right direction. Number four, purchase your vending machines. Once you have finished your market research, it's time to purchase your vending machines. You can often browse a variety of models from a manufacturer, wholesale vending suppliers, or a secondary market seller. You might also be able to find a vending machines from sellers on eBay or Craigslist. According to Naturals to Go, you can typically get a basic vending machines for little as $1,500. So you need to spend more for features such as credit card processing. New vending machines with state-of-the-art features can cost as much as $10,000. Each machine is different, so look for one that meets your need and budget. The most basic model now have buttons that accept cash and coins, for instance, whereas the more high-tech models will have card reader, interactive screens, and a voice accessibility. Number five, draw up a contract with your property owner. Once you have chosen a locations and gotten permission from the property owner, you want to draw up a contract outlining the term of your agreement. In this contract, you both agree to compensate rate in the length of time. You might also establish an exclusive partnership, which means the property owner can't place additional vending machine next to yours. You could also include what happened if there's a breach of contracts or vandalism of your vending machines. Because this contract is a legal document, it's a good idea to have a lawyer review it before anyone signs, along with financializing your contract. Consider what customer service you provide for your vending machines, if any. For example, you could provide a phone number on the vending machines that people can call if issues arise. Number six, buy inventory and stock up your machines. Once you purchase your vending machines, it's time to stock up with inventory. As mentioned, it's important to choose products that are matched with your target customer and their spending habit. To purchase your supplies, you could buy directly from a wholesaler, a cash and carry supplier, a specialty broker, or a membership club, or Costco. If you're just starting out, have your own vending machine. Member club like Costco or Sam's Club will be the most affordable options. Although you want to have enough supply to fully stock your vending machines, you probably don't need to stock up with several months worth of supply until you make sure that customer are purchasing from your vending machines. So FAQ, so how do you make money from vending machines? If you own a vending machines, you can make money by selling snack, drinks, or other items to consumer on the go. Older vending machines accept cash and coin, whether newer model can process credit card transaction depending on your vending machine's location. You can make $300 or more every month from your inventories. Another question people might ask is, can you make good money with vending machines? According to Naturals to Go, the average vending machines makes more than $70 per week and more than $300 per month. The amount you can make depend on what you sell, where your machines is, and how many people see it on a daily basis. You also want to make sure that there's a good fit between what you're selling in the vending machines and other people trying to sell too. So how should you set your vending machines prices? When determining your vending machines prices, you want to set prices that are competitive and fair to the consumer, but will also ensure you to turn a profit. One general rule is pricing your vending products for double the cost of what you bought it for. If you purchase a candy bar for 50 cents, for example, you sell it for $1, right? When pricing your product, think about what you need to charge and how many items you need to sell to meet your income goal. And remember to subtract your expenses from your earnings to determine the net profit. So the bottom line, when you're starting a vending machine business, you don't have to go at it alone. You can use the National Automatic Mechanism Association NAMA websites. We'll have it in the link in the descriptions to find out your state's vending associations and connect with other business owners. You may also expand your network by joining local and online group for entrepreneurs. As with many businesses, growing your network, making personal connections, and getting word of mouth referral could help you succeed in making money from vending machines. As you learn the ins and outs of the vending machines industry, you may consider setting up additional vending machines and scale your business. Thank you for staying to the very end of the video, and that's it for today on how to make money with vending machines, the passive income way. We'll see you on the next one. And this is Billy.
So we are done with today's podcast, but this is not yet goodbye. I'll see you on the next one. If you like my voice or the info we gave, we have more ideas on the next video. Just click on it and keep listening. The more information you can gather in the quickest time will end up benefiting you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure to make it a habit to search for information and ideas. To stay motivated, I will put myself in situations like this. Don't think too much. Just keep searching for info, keep listening, and you already win half the battle. Billy.